I'm going to show you how to model vocabulary on an AAC device using the book Open the Barn Door. What you first want to do is identify what word that you can target in a lesson. So if you're working on a specific sight word you want the student to learn, or you're reading a book, if you hear a word that's repeated a lot, that's a good place to start. And then also, if you look at the home screen on TouchChat with Word Power, you can see that the main page, this home page, has core vocabulary words, which are high frequency words, and they are color-coded by parts of speech. The yellow words are pronouns, the green words are verbs, the blue words are prepositions, and then the pink purple color is descriptive words. And then the nouns are orange, so you'll see the groups button is orange right there. And then there's some other that are within folders, other word types. So today I want to pick the word open. It's also on the home page, which is a great place to start with beginners, is trying to model all the words on the home page that you can. So I'm going to model the word open and the door as well, which this has predictive words. So as I touch open, it's going to say the door, which is a nice feature of TouchChat. So open the barn door. I'm going to kind of prop it up. Sorry, here we go. Who says move? And then open the door. And then have the student open the door. Sorry, this is hard to hold and do at the same time. So the student opens the door and you say, ooh, cow, moo. And then you go to the next page and it says, who says oink? And then you go to open the door. And then have the student open the door. So that is my example. I can give you a few other examples. For example, if you're doing math, you might want to use the keyboard page, and it has math letters up here. So if you want to count one, here you want to clear first. So 1, touch the top.
1,
2, touch the top. If you do 1, 2, and touch the top,
12.
It's going to combine and make 12. So that's what you can use as numbers for math. You can also use like put or get. Those are good math words. For language arts, if you're working on phonics, it has a beginning keyboard. Oh, and it has beginning numbers, so that would be
1, 2, 3.
So it will say it, but if you touch the top, it's going to say
23.
that. Okay, and then sorry. So back to the phonics. So ABC, beginning keyboard, phonics page. So instead of having letter names, this one has letter sounds, and it has phonics with short vowels.
Phonics with short vowels.
And then it'll tell you like
qua.
And then long vowels you can switch to, and it'll
E, A, U.
So you have the option for both short and long vowels, and you have the phonic sounds for each one.
O.
So that is a great place to work when doing phonics. Also, a lot of the sight words will be on this main page, and then if they're not, they might be in some of the other folders, like extra words has a lot of sight words, and maybe even actions might have a lot of the sight words as well. So those are just the descriptors might be some words that you focus on as well. So there's lots of things, but just trying to pick words from the front page first is a great place to start. An example of how you could expand this open the door for someone that is already using a lot of words, or if you just have more time that you want to And you want to work maybe on the animal names as well. So for the example, for this first one, after you say, open the door, and then you see the cow, then you can go to groups, and then you can find the farm animals up here. And then it actually has animal sounds. So if you go to that one, and you can say cow,
Cow.
moo. And that might be fun. Or you can use,
What is it?
What is it? When you open the door and have them find cow, and they can say moo, or they can say a cow says moo. So there's lots of ways to expand that activity as well. Hope this was helpful. Have a great day.